Today we're going to talk about how to prep and reinstall old baseboards. You may be doing this because maybe you removed the baseboards and maybe you are replacing flooring and you had to remove the baseboards and there was grout stuck to it. This also has some caulk and some grout. So first thing we're going to do is prepare the baseboards. What we're going to do is we're going to use this tool. It is a Vaughan scraper, razor blade, and we're just going to scrape the grout off the baseboard and then we're going to paint them and reinstall them. But we're going to show you how we remove this grout from the baseboard or the caulk. And you just want to make sure that you scrape with the razor blade as close to the edge of the grout or the caulk so you don't scratch any more of the baseboard. And just slowly work your way scratching it off. So before you reinstall your baseboards, you're going to want to make sure you remove any nails from the wall. Just use some pliers. So another thing you're going to want to do to prepare is make sure there's no old caulk on the wall. So we're just using the same scraper and running it along the baseboards. And on the wall you can see a little bit of caulk left over. That way the boards will sit flush and there won't be anything in the way. The walls are prepped and the baseboards are prepped. We're going to start reinstalling. We're going to nail them to the wall using this Boss Stitch nail gun. We're using 2-inch nails and it is an 18 gauge nail gun. So we have our nail gun hooked up to this Boss Stitch 6-gallon 150 psi air compressor. You can check the manual to see what your psi should be set at. So when you nail the baseboard into the wall, you're going to want to alternate between the lower or the bottom part of the board and then alternate to the top. Thanks for watching. Hopefully you'll subscribe.